Hello there, my name's Sam Woodward, and today I'm going to explain to you how to use YouTube. Yeah, so what you want to do is you want to go to your home. You might have loads of, you might have little apps, but YouTube is this one here with the red little button here in the middle. So you press on that, then you get into YouTube. And first we have to establish what you want to watch. So I'm on the teacher's iPad here, so you might be loads of teacher stuff here, but if you want to watch something, you just press on this button here, icon here. You can put in anything. So I could put in, I don't know, if you want to watch, and then you get all these highlights. So you can pretty much just put up any YouTube video, anyone you want. You can just put it in here, and you'll find it. So if you want to create your own channel, what you have to do is, account, so you can watch all the videos you've been watching, and stuff will come up on your recommendations. You're pressing this icon here. I'm in Kirsty Wolf's account right now, but I'm gonna switch this up to my one. So where presses on that? Oh god, that's the wrong one. What you want to press is here, content vegan, default one. And then I'm not going to show you my password details, but I'm now logged into my account. So what I can do on this account is, you can see I've got loads and loads of football recommended. So like all the football stuff here, all good. So what you want to do is, if you like someone, I don't know, one of my favourite YouTubers is called Barfy Boy. If you want, so he's one of my favourite YouTubers. So what I can do is, because I've got an account, I can subscribe to him. And now I can watch his videos. I can see always when his videos come up. So then I'm subscribed to him, so I know what's happening. What I can also do with an account is I can make a playlist. So if I can't bother to get up all the time, I can put on music. So Wonderwall is one of my favourite songs. If I put Wonderwall on, I can press that button there, put a playlist, put on, and then do a new playlist. I'll call it Sam's playlist. And I'll put it on private so no one else can see it. And then, I'm going to do that. So I've got Wonderwall on that playlist. And now the next song I also like is, I don't know, Stressed Out. Stressed Out. That's also one of my favourite songs. And then what you can do is, you can do that. Boom, and then you can do that Sam's playlist. And then boom. And then you got here, if you go to the library, you got Sam's playlist here. So then you got this, and then in the next video, if you finish that video, the next video will be Stressed Out. So that's how you make a playlist. So if you want to do a video, I just made a video. So you go to my channel here, mein Kanal, in German, and then you go here, press this button here, and then I just took a video before, so you can press on that, record it, and then if you want, you can just do schoolroom. You can put a title on. Of course, I'm not going to upload it because we're in school now. But if you want to upload a video like that, that's how I upload it.
Just take one thing and color it, and then you see if I go over the layer.
And that's how you upload it, yeah.